What's going on, Garrett Barry here. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can start getting paid on PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, that's the first step, okay? You want to get a PayPal account. It's totally free, and it's just in minutes to actually create one. But chances are, if you're watching this video very closely, you already have a PayPal account, and you just want to know a simple method to quickly and easily generate income, even if you're brand new or have failed online in the past. Well, what I'm going to share with you is a method that anyone can do. You can see on the screen right here that it says good afternoon, Garrett, and $347. Now, this is just one day after using this method. This method is incredibly simple, and I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars over the last 5 years into a PayPal account using this exact method. Okay, so what are the steps that we're going to learn with this method? Okay, there's really just 3 easy, simple steps. Number 1 is what we're going to do is we're going to find a program online that allows you to refer people to it and get paid through PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to share with you a program that you can actually join. And once you're a member, all you do is refer people to sign up with your own customized coded affiliate link, and they will actually pay you through PayPal. Okay, so this is how we're going to actually get gobs and gobs of money flooding into our PayPal very easily while we're relaxing and having a great time. Number 2 is once we have that program and we have our own coded affiliate link, we're just going to send interested people that affiliate link, that referral link, okay? And I'm going to share with you exactly how to actually get interested people, because you don't just want to, spam your links online. Maybe you've tried that in the past and you're thinking, oh, this guy, I've tried this method, I've tried to refer people and it doesn't work. Well, the reason it probably hasn't worked for you is because you haven't done one of the steps that I'm going to reveal as you keep watching this incredibly powerful video. I've never before revealed all these different steps. And the last step in this 3 simple step formula is to make money on PayPal. Once people go to your referral link, they actually join, you're going to be able to see the money into your PayPal. And I'm not sure if you can imagine just looking into your PayPal account, seeing more money that has come in, feeling that rush of excitement where you don't even know who the person is, but more money is getting sent to you. And this is a reality you can look forward to when you actually use this method. So the very first thing I want to share with you is that it doesn't matter what program you actually use with this formula. I'm going to include a link directly below in the description. You can click that and actually get way more information on my #1 recommended program to join and refer people to. The reason I recommend that after 5 years online is because when you get the money, you don't have to wait a week. You don't have to wait 30 days or a month like a lot of these other programs. When you make a sale or referral, rather, you actually get that money instantly, okay? So you can go ahead and check out more information as well as join at the link below this video. But let's say you've already found a program that you can refer people to. The very first thing we want to do when we want to refer people to a program online to easily make PayPal money is we need to get proof of people getting results with the program you're referring people to, okay? Because again, if you go out there, one of the major reasons most people fail when it comes to referring people to a program online is people are skeptical, okay? Maybe you've tried to refer your friends and family before. Maybe you've tried to post online and people are like, oh, I don't believe this, or this is fake, or something like that. The reason is that you're not sharing real proof or good proof of results, okay? Because people are skeptical. So what we want to do is we want to find proof. Now, how do you do this? Well, whatever program you're with, hopefully people are actually getting results with it. People are referring other people and making money. And what you want to do is you want to either get, I say, here, pictures of people showing they've made a certain amount of money. Okay, so if the program you're promoting with this powerful method is a way for people to make money online, you can show pictures of people that have said, hey, I made, $500 today, or I made, $100 today. It could be videos of people sharing their testimonials. So maybe that program that you find shares, hey, somebody on the video, hey, I made, $100 while I was relaxing with my daughter, or something like that. Well, you can take that proof, and that's going to be used in a second when we follow the rest of this formula. And again, this formula is the exact formula that I've used the last 5 years, and people from all over the world, many of my students have actually used to quit their job, travel the world, do the things they love to do with the people they love doing it with, as more and more money comes rushing into your PayPal account. Now, again, what you want to realize is that at the link below, if you don't know how to find a program with proof, when you join that affiliate program at the link below this video, you're going to get access to tons and tons of proof. Literally every single day in our private Facebook group, people are sharing more results that they made more money. Okay, so you can just go ahead and screenshot, whether on a phone or you can screenshot using a tool on your computer and get proof pictures that you can use for the rest of this formula. Now, the next step is what we want to do is, again, if we go back here, we want to send interested people your referral link. Well, how do we find people, right? Are we going to be going outside and hitting the pavement and getting tired and hot and, depressed that no one's interested? No, 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 my friend. What we're going to do is very sneaky. We're going to realize that there's literally billions, yes, with a B, billions of people on social media. Sites like Facebook, sites like Instagram, sites like YouTube, okay? Billions of people that are looking for whatever program you have, okay? So for this example, we're teaching people how to make money online. So what you can do is realize that there's billions of people that want to make more money. So the audience, the amount of people that you can refer is endless. So what we want to do is go to social media sites, because social media has tons of people. You can do it literally in your pajamas while you're watching Netflix in the background. You can still click a button and post on Facebook, okay, on Instagram. And we want to go to these sites with the proof. So the very first step is to get the proof. The next step is to go to a social media site. Now you may ask me, Garrett, which social media site is the best, right? Maybe that's the question on your mind is, should I start with Facebook? Should I start? The issue isn't what social media site works. They all work. The answer is, which social media site are you on the most? Okay, a lot of people are on Facebook. Well, use this method on Facebook. A lot of people are on Instagram. Use this method on Instagram. So use whatever site you're on the most. Now, what we want to do, okay, is we want to go to one of these sites and post the proof, okay, as a post. So on Facebook, you can make a photo or upload a video. On Instagram, you can post a picture. And we want to share, okay, the photo, the video, or the text of the proof from the person that we got, okay? So whatever proof you found, again, at the link below, you can access a Facebook group to get tons and tons of proof, or you can go to a sales page, or maybe the back office in the program you find, and you can get proof there. And we want to share that on our profile. But here's the key, okay? A lot of people just post pictures and nothing happens. We want to tell people what to do. We want to give what's called a call to action, which is calling people to act. And we want to give a statement, and you can see it right here, that says something like, hey, if you're interested in learning to do the same, message me for info. Okay, so basically we are posting and a result, and people are seeing it like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then you say, hey, if you're interested in learning to do the same, message me for information. And that's going to get the interested people coming to you. You're not going to have to chase people. You're not going to have to, bother your friends and family. You can get people chasing you with this method and asking you for your referral link, basically. Okay, so real quick, I want to share with you just a few examples on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the big three on how I would do this. Okay, so on Facebook, and I do this a lot, what you can do is you can actually post proof. Okay, so let me go down. And so a lot of times I will actually share proof of myself, okay? Now you may see a lot of pictures of me right here, but this is a video, okay? This is a video. So what I did was I made a video sharing proof, and then I gave a call to action. I say, see first comment for more, okay? And what I did was I gave a call to action, okay? So I sent the link. You can either put your link there, but in the beginning, I have quite a bit of people follow me on Facebook. In the beginning, I recommend you just tell people to comment, okay? So if I go here, yeah, see, if you want my #1 recommended affiliate system, then reach out, okay? So message me or comment info. You can actually tell people to message you or comment info. I recommend that you tell people to message you when you're first starting, because you may not have a lot of people commenting, and it's gonna be better for you just to get people to coming directly to you. But what I did was I shared proof. Now you may see this and you may think, well, this isn't proof, this isn't money. Well, this is another form of proof, okay? Basically in this text post, I said that because of this program, I'm able to make money on PayPal and I'm able to travel, okay? So this was proof of me making money. You know, I'm in Brazil right now, and the only reason I'm able to do that is because I'm making money with this thing, okay? Now you can also go to Facebook groups, right? You can take the proof and you can go up here and then type in, you know, like make money online, okay? You can go to groups and you can actually join Facebook groups, okay? You can join this group, 12,000 members, 3,000 members, so you can 77,000 members. You can join these Facebook groups and post the proof, again, with a call to action, with a statement telling them to reach out or comment below for more information. On Instagram, okay, I've built up quite a following on Instagram, okay? Now I don't do this on Instagram as much, but I used to actually post pictures of proof, okay, on my Instagram. I used to post pictures. Now what I do from time to time is I do it in the Instagram story. I feel that has a better reach, and you can see right here, I actually did that. If I click here, okay, so I said, you know, anyone can do this. I shared proof, and then I told people what to do, swipe up to learn how. Now, if you have a business account on Instagram with a certain amount of followers, you can actually put a link and they swipe up. But if I were you and you don't have that ability, share proof and then basically tell people to reply, okay? So, or click link in bio, okay? So the formula is basically share proof and then give them a call to action. Tell them to do something. Often reach out to you or message you, okay, for more information. And then last but not least, YouTube, okay? And you're watching this very video, and a lot of people are gonna go down below to the link and do the same thing that I'm doing. And I'm just posting simple videos on YouTube, okay, sharing proof, right? In the beginning of this video, I shared proof, okay, of PayPal. And then basically, I'm telling people who are watching this video very closely to click the link below and join that program. Okay, join that program. So I'm doing the same process on YouTube. So this is it, my friend. This is the simple and easy formula that I've used the last 5 years, that my students have used, and that you can use right now. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make money on PayPal. If you got value, you want me to make more videos like this, be sure to click the like button. Also be sure to comment below which social media site are you gonna start promoting on first. Again, there's so many. There's even Pinterest, there's Twitter, okay, that I haven't even covered yet, and I will in the future as you stay subscribed. And last but not least, if you want my #1 recommended referral program to get paid with PayPal, so you can just set it up and start to use this powerful formula, go down below, click that link, and follow the simple training. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training video.